Hi friends, today we are talking about the new Kia Picanto, model year 2025, in the version with a 1.0-liter petrol engine and automatic transmission. This is a perfect choice, both for a first car and for those looking for a compact and practical city vehicle. Thanks to its dimensions, the Picanto handles narrow European streets with confidence, and the automatic transmission makes driving easier for drivers of all experience levels. The model is also suitable for young families. The 5-door body and spacious interior allow comfortable transport of passengers and shopping, while the small turning radius makes parking easy, even in tight courtyards and underground garages. Under the hood, there's a 46 kilowatts, 63 horsepower, petrol engine that stands out for its efficiency and low noise level. The real fuel consumption is about 5 liters per 100 kilometers in a mixed cycle. Inside, you will find a modern multimedia system with touchscreen, an ergonomic steering wheel, comfortable seats, and practical storage compartments. On the outside, the car features updated front lights, stylish alloy wheels, and a distinctive bumper, emphasizing the model's dynamic character. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe if you love cars. Have a great day, and see you soon.